following program is brought to you in living color on NBC.
Tonight, Danny Thomas presents The Comics with Danny's guests, Tim Conway, The Three Stooges, and special guest star Martha Ray. Brought to you by Consolidated Cigar Corporation, makers of Dutch Masters.
Step up to Dutch Masters and smile, brother, smile.
And Timex, world's largest manufacturer of watches. More people buy Timex than any other watch in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Danny Thomas.
Hey there. Take it easy. Get in the ring. Glad to see you there. Hey there. Hey. Back up good there. How are you? Good to see you. Glad to see you. Hey there. Hey, hi there over there. Hey. Hey. Watch it. It's alive. It's moving. It don't die in the way. Yeah, get it. Get back. Give me this hat back there. Ladies and gentlemen, the Three Stooges is in the music.
Easy. Now get ready. Now's your chance. Go ahead. What tributaries follow him to Rome?
Right.
To
What?
grace and captive bones as chariot
Whoa,
wheels?
whoa.
You blocks!
Yeah.
You stones!
Hey.
You...
Whoa! What's the matter? You. Aged beetle. What are you doing?
We've gone legitimate.
What?
Yeah, it's our new image.
What?
We do Shakespeare.
Fellas, this is the anatomy of humor. We're making people laugh tonight.
I'm sorry, Daniel. We've been in the crummy end of this business far too long.
One more night couldn't hurt you.
I'm sorry. Make way for the new us. Yes, go ahead. To be...
I don't know. I didn't study this.
Well, you should help me if I got stuck. Good night. Come on, let him alone. He's my...
I think it's only fitting at this time to introduce
Put your hands on me. Gotta treat a lady. My brand new monkey coat. I just bought it for myself, and the Rooney had carried
What's
me
the
like
matter
this.
with you guys? Don't you know how to treat a lady?
Yeah, don't you know how to treat a lady?
Yeah.
Take the lady's coat.
Why, certainly. We're sorry. Be gentle.
Oh, we'll be very gentle.
Fine.
Careful with it.
I don't have to worry. My old man was a furrier.
All right. Take care of it, Larry.
Hey, what are you doing with my coat? You put my coat. What are you doing with my coat? Oh, Danny.
If that her coat isn't back on her, by the time I count three, you're off the
Hey,
show.
what he said? Start the count, Danny. Get it back. I don't care what they do.
I need a manicure. You look cute.
What about us?
Oh, you miserable. Danny, where you going?
I'm gonna get a bunch of bananas and feed your coat.
Good evening. I'm here to bring you a dissertation on the anatomy of visual humor.
I would like to introduce
Tonight we
our
have
new
a-
invention, invisible plate glass. Now, you stand right here, and you'll no harm will come to you, sir. Hold it. Very good, sir. Very good. Very good.
lecture on the anatomy of visual humor.
The Danny Thomas Show has been brought to you by Timex, the world's largest manufacturer of watches. More people buy Timex than any other watch in the world. And Consolidated Cigar Corporation, makers of Muriel cigars.
Why don't you pick one up and smoke it sometime?